This is Math Counts Shapes. And this week in math, we are starting to talk about two-dimensional shapes, and next week we will talk about three-dimensional shapes, or solid figures. Look at the shape of this page. Run your finger around the edges of the page. What shape did you trace? So all of the sides are the same shape. Was it a square like this? Or was it a circle like this? Was it a hexagon like this? Was it a rectangle like this? Was it a triangle like this? Squares, circles, hexagons, rectangles, and triangles are regular shapes. Each shape is easy to recognize. What shape can you see here? In what ways are these squares similar to one another? In what ways are they different? In what ways are these triangles similar to one another? In what ways are they different? We can find regular shapes almost anywhere. Squares, circles, rectangles, triangles, and even hexagons. We can also find regular shapes in nature. This is a honeycomb made by bees. Each honeycomb cell has 6 sides. Each side is the same length. Each cell is called a hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tessellation is a word used to describe shapes that fit together without leaving gaps. Bricks tessellate, and so do wooden blocks like these. You can put some shapes so close together that they touch. Do circles tessellate? Will these triangles fit together so that no spaces are left between them? Sometimes the shape of things seems to change when we look at them from a different angle. What shape are these cans? These are the same cans. Now they seem to be a different shape. What shape can you recognize here? What shape can you see now? So here I see a circle. Here I see almost like a cone shape. Shapes are used everywhere. Some are used to give messages to drivers. What do these signs mean? Do not enter, evacuation route, or maybe no trucks up the hill. Yield means slow down. Railroad crossing, no passing zone. What shapes can you find in each sign? Why are some road signs set in a circle? Why are others in a triangle? And then yet there's some in a square. Many things are shaped for their job. Why is a clock face round? Why aren't wheels square? Look for shapes inside other shapes. How many regular shapes can you find in this bicycle? a triangle right there and here. I see a circle, but then I see triangles kind of in between the spokes too. Or maybe even a rectangle here with the wider ones. And in this steam engine, not everything has a regular shape. Clouds have ever-changing shapes, and so do these trees as they sway in the wind. You have a shape too, but it is not made up of squares and circles. How is your face different from the face of this clown? So I want you to think about shapes you see and try and find different shapes around your house. Have fun.